Melbourne, as you know, was one of the most heavily locked down cities in all the world during the COVID era. It didn't sit well with our family and that, so we kind of fled to the countryside and found ourselves living on a 3 acre hobby farm, not knowing anything about farming. I came across permaculture through Noosa Forestry. I did a PDC with them online, and I did all of that, but nothing grew. And I was like, why is this? Why is this happening? There's something wrong. I've done everything they said. And then I discovered GMAT. So actually my husband introduced me to one of the R Soil conferences. And so I
Wow.
signed up for that in 2022. And yeah, been a lurker of all things Matt Powers for since 2022. Yeah, I took it to heart. Loved regenerative soil. I took it on the road even before I started with the microscope. Before you'd even written the course, I was promoting it in the back, behind the scenes, going, "Yeah, everybody get on board with this. This is going to be amazing. I've got my microscope already, even though he hasn't written the course yet." And I took it all across Australia with me. And yeah, I'm actually a paid speaker now, which is amazing considering how the first time I was on one of yours, I didn't even have my camera on. I was terrified to talk to anybody. But yeah, so yeah, they're paying me to teach people about the microscope. So well done. You've done a fantastic job turning me into that. So I'm amazed. Thank you.
What if you could verify if your compost was actually doing its job? What if you could verify if the inoculants, the mycorrhizal inoculants, and biofertilizers are actually worth the money spending on them? It is all possible. And it's all things you can learn in the Regenerative Soil Microscopy 20-week online course that is starting this fall. If you want to learn how to not just understand your soil, but to see that the things you're doing are actually working, that the money that you're going to spend or have spent was worth it, so you don't get fooled again. This is the pathway. We need holistic testing, we need holistic microscopy, and we need to combine them in a new methodology, regenerative soil microscopy. I hope you join us. I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively. I'll see you soon.